train running out of control, headed to parts that I can't say I know. You are a bird flying high above. I wish I could jump the tracks, my love.
I am a sparrow up here in the breeze. Won't you fly with me, honey, please? I see you on your lonesome path. Aren't you tired of living like that?
And I'm not afraid of leaving the ground. That is until I get to looking down.
I'll lend you my wings if you'll give me your heart. Don't you think that's a good place to start?
If you lend me your wings and I'll give you my heart, don't you think that's a good place to start? Well, I'd love to fly high with you, up through the clouds, well, I bet it's quite a view. But these tracks, well, they hold me tight. Don't look like there's an end in sight.
Are you a man? Are you bound by your hands? Looks like you're afraid to make a stand. And do you want me or do you not? Or do you fear to untie the knot?
Well, I'm not afraid of leaving the ground. That is until I get to looking down.
I'll lend you my wings if you'll give me your heart. Don't you think that's a good place to start?
If you lend me your wings and I'll give you my heart, don't you think that's a good place to start?
Sooner or later there's an end to the track. My heart's breaking, I know where you're at. I see it coming and it's coming fast. Better jump or this won't last.
And I'm not afraid of leaving the ground. That is until I get to looking down.
Lend me your wings and I'll give you my heart. Don't you think that's a good place to start?
If you lend me your wings and I'll give you my heart, don't you think that's a good place to start?